So when I rise in the morning, yeah. Let's sing my song. I put my voice up on the night. I bring the drum, my Babylon. I said they must have to go down. Yeah, man, it's Anunnaki representing for Lionfoot TV. Big up Lionfoot TV. Down in Africa, Anunnaki representing Black Child, you know. Whoa, hey. Cause Black Lives Matter for all the brains them splattered. Oh, with your professional shatters. Boom blast, Lionfoot. Big up yourself.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my line. So I'm going good. Yeah, man, I don't know. I hope all this blessing. Yeah, I don't know. The support is highly appreciated. Kings and queens, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. If you are new to the channel, just come across the channel and you like what you've seen or heard, feel inspired, just click the bell, subscribe and click the bell, saying your support is highly appreciated. And I will give you a shout out. Now my viewers and subscribers, we just coming after the work and in the process of steal some cabbage and cook some food and thing, and we just see a thing pop up on Instagram. You see me? Actually it was also shared in Super Hype group as well. So I say big up UPT family. Back. Yeah, Super Hype, big up yourself, Jetty. The whole team, Gary Chucks, everybody big up on yourself, see? So we see a thing with Spice now, Spice, and she said, yo, like say racial thing, his target is real, you know? So I'm not gonna say Gwaan still, but before that, I'm gonna quick snap on my thing, you see me? You know, I love the kitchen, you know? Love the cooking, you see it? Watch out, some cabbage, well cut up and thing, and seasoning, I'm not cut up the garlic yet. See garlic and ginger. You see me? Yeah. But I have something more to show you now. I just buy a piece of yam, yellow yam. How much do you think we pay for that little piece of yam now? £3. £3. That little like piece of yam there, you know. I just buy it because I want it. I feel like I like to put some hard food, you know. And 3 finger banana, you see me? Yeah. I say 3 are dead, but you see me? I just pick 3 because I'm just me. I'm the big boy, yeah. Next 2 them make banana. Them like the hard food, yeah. You see me? Yeah. So my viewers and subscribers now, yeah man. I'm gonna see what I go and you know, I cook some cabbage and yam and banana, you know? Irish, no dumpling, you see me? Yeah. You see it? Full of the starch and the wheat, you see me? Yeah. But yeah, my viewers and subscribers, watch what I go on. But before we make you see what I go on, you don't know, no. I pay the bills, them, see? So the one greetings, I don't know a Lionfoot, where I see the image I hear the voice, in the ears and eyes. Yo, I say I come to tell you about Taste of Caribbean restaurant. Yo, and them I do it, fully refurbished, fully up full, fully beautiful. Yo, me say them cook some nice food, you see, different menus. Yo, them have some natural juice, you see. I don't know spirit and alcohol. Dead. If you want to go chill out and have a nice breakfast, a nice lunch, or a nice dinner, trust me, you can't lose. A sure winner. Yeah, man, just roll out and go chill out with the Empress, or Empress go roll out with the King, and all our vibes. Yeah, man, you don't know. All them taste, them patty, yo, the patty nice and full of spice. Cheese and peas, and me be telling you about Taste of Caribbean. Them located at 207 Rye Lane, opposite the Asda. You can't miss it. Yeah, man, you don't know. I sip on weekend too. Them play some nice music. Friday, Saturday. Vibes. Yeah, man, nice music, man. You fully enjoy yourself. Go and check them out. 207 Rye Lane. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Man, you don't know if you're in the area, Peckham Rye Lane. You see me? 207. You see me? Yeah, I'm gonna check them out, man. The restaurant, they're up, big up lay, bigger day, real scale. So me I say, yeah man, I'm on settings. Now my viewers and subscribers, watch the little thing with Spice and some police, like an altercation, them get stopped or something. But me don't know. But I'm going to say and then we can determine after. See? Let me give you my views as usual. You see?
The speed limit, I wasn't even driving fast.
It's actually dangerous to
I don't understand what you're talking about. Hello, what should I do? Hello, lady, hello. is for, please. Hold on. What y'all doing? Where you? The speed limit. I wasn't even driving fast.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. I don't know. It looked like Spice make it look like she was stopped. See? Yeah, she was being pulled over by the bees them, the police them, purple officers. You see me? She said, yo, she didn't understand what them are saying, blah blah blah, and the bubble lamp on her son, and she said, he's 14 and blah blah. Me don't know, but in the comment section, people must say, wow, Gwaan, what am I do to them artists? And people are saying, stunned, music video coming, and this and that. But what do you think? I know Spice are the stunt queen, you know. Spice, and I see she drop something like that, you know, more time a music video. I see she do it several times. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I don't know if it looks serious or you think it's a stunt or a music video coming or she's just seeking some attention or a music video coming or a play or a movie or what. I know what you think, but you know, if it is real, it is real. But if it's a stunt, I don't think that's a smart move, my opinion, you know, because it's just, that is like opening up a can of worms and seeking attention and drawing unnecessary, you know, mouth and eyes on you. Because why I say that, you know, say racism now go away and it's not gonna go, you know. Yeah, so if you just live and learn how to live with it and just be yourself and avoid when them people are trying to drive you out, you see me? That's if it's not real. If it's a stunt, yeah, I mean, I think it's a smart move, because it's only you're gonna bring haters by, you know, and more of them people if you start praying and say, oh yeah, you black, whatever, you see me? Bastard or whatever, blah blah, you see me? You know them call you already. Yeah, it's just, you know, that's just my opinion. I know more time you think differently, you know. Me think not just think one way. I think many ways of things, analyzing things, you know, and try to know the outcome or what could be the result, you know. So yeah, that but I see that's still, you know. But if it is real, you don't know America that. Maybe them just see her drive a nice flashy car and want to pull her over. You know what I mean? But also in the comment section, someone said, oh, them think of music video because the lady in the glass no look like, you know, she look too much of an actor. Like, you see me? So as when me see it, and that first draw my attention to me, I analyze the video, observe the video. I said the lady don't look really like, then again, maybe sun shine and shower in her glass. You never know. You see me? But the viewers and subscribers, let me know what other things. Saying big up Grace America and big up Spice. So don't feel like Spice or seek attention or she just want to flirt back the internet again. She, you know, she ends up coming rolling loud with it and run on the video and the controversy and of selling out and all those stuff. You see, the thing Spice I try overrun that are a real thing or, you know, is a music video or is a stunt. But I don't want to think, say, my viewers. Yeah, let me know what you think. You don't do a lion foot, you know. Go and check out my music, please, and thanks. Produce. Yeah, man, who feels it knows, you see me? You know, we have a whole heap of tune on Spotify. See, so you don't know, big up on yourself. Anybody who are experiencing depression or any down moment or need somebody to talk to, you can reach out to me on 871-8345 because I've been there, you know, and I know what it's like and I can talk. See, if I need somebody to talk to. Me, you know, personally, I don't really talk to people about my problem, but, you know, yeah. If I need somebody to talk to, if you have a concern about something or you want to raise a topic or an issue, or you have something you would like me to put out there for you, link up. See, 871-8345. Don't know, big up on the damn self, lion foot, and I'm out. See, let me know in the comment section what you think. Spice a pull a stunt or a real thing. You see me? If it is real, John no star, the struggle is real. But if it's a stunt, I don't think that was a right move because it's like you draw them people attention and make them hate, or go hate you more, you know? You know how me attack. Yeah. The racial one them. See? Yeah. Pick up on yourself. I don't know, lion foot. And I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. Please and thanks.
Make you praise me. Me feel like you are gonna mad me.